What's happening, guys? This is Ayush, you watching That Tech, and today we're gonna do a gaming review of the Asus ROG Strix gaming laptop. So if you guys haven't checked out our unboxing video of this machine, quickly go and check it out. I will leave a link in the description below as well as up on the screen. So let's get started. Now before we start the gameplay, let us quickly run through the specifications first. The device is powered by quad-core Intel Core i5 9th generation processor which has clock speed of 2.4 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz. It has 8 GB of LPDDR4 RAM along with 4 GB of DDR5 NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics and 512 GB of NVMe 2.2 SSD. Now in my unboxing video for the graphics I have mentioned a DDR6 instead of DDR5, for which I apologize, and let's now start with the gameplay. Now we're gonna start with PUBG PC, and I have set all the graphics to high, and I'm gonna shut up so that you guys can enjoy the gameplay.
Don't train alone. It only embeds your errors. Bring our young damsel to the lower courtyard. She wants to practice, she'll get to practice.
Don't get mad at her.
Why the hell not? The whippersnapper refuses to do as she's told.
You like that about her.
Fine. I suppose I'm partly to blame. But this has to end. Now. Killing monsters is not something to be taken lightly. Ciri must understand that, if she's to become one of us. I'll see you below.
Wrong. Now I see why you were so eager to practice. Strike. You're not in this circus. Pirouette. Wrong. Footwork. Enough. Get down.
With a flip?
What do you think? All right. Take off the blindfold. You've got work to do. Your reflexes are still slow.
Maybe for a witcher.
Think drowners or striggers will go easy on you because you haven't undergone the mutations? Though in your shoes, I'd fear Vesemir more than any strigger. Disobeying his instructions? Unwise.
Well, yes, but that book was horribly dull.
I know. And you know that's no excuse.
I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Better not. Vesemir said if it does, he'll make you eat a bowl of slugs covered in salt.
You!
Exactly. So you'd best behave. Come on. We'll practice with the others down below.
Shall we run the walls?
Of course. Is a Witcher school or an elven bathhouse?
To the bottom.
Maybe if you fall. What did I tell you about breathing? Through your mouth, in rhythm.
Anything to say for yourself, young lady?
I'm very sorry, Uncle Vesemir.
Young blood craves action, I understand that. But when you fight a beast, knowledge counts as much as your silver sword. At the very least, you ought to be able to tell a ghoul from an owl ghoul.
By markings, like unto the Panthera tigris that in Zerrikania dwells, and by the sickly paleness of its visage.
So you did read the chapter. Still, you should have asked if...
But you were asleep, Uncle Vesemir.
So you did the reading. Why not admit it right off?
Never pounce on an advantage as soon as it appears. Wait till it stands to have maximum effect. Uncle Vesemir's words.
Well, you're a quick study. Quick, but mischievous. Fine, we've talked enough. Geralt, you're with me, Lambert with Eskel, Ciri with the dummy.
Again?
Stop groaning and grab a sword. What do you think? Should we start by reviewing the fundamentals or go right to free training?
Let's skip straight to free training. No point going over the basics again.
Whoa! You really showed him, kid.
Ciri, get down here.
A little she-devil. Soon as she's back, we'll set her to polishing all the swords at Kaer Morhen.
Find that helmet? Ciri? I'll make sure to find every last blade for you. What then? Vesemir.
Adriano did this, and you, White Wolf.
No!
Done drinking? Then fuck off.
Don't want your kind here.
Better round up someone else to help. 3 of you don't stand a chance against me.
What? I could fuck you up by myself.
If I had a bag over my head and my hands tied behind... Actually, no, not even then.
Chet, Lesh, back off. I'll teach this vagrant a lesson. Man on freak.
Nice meeting you.
Whoa!
Whore.
Come on, Roach.
Griffin's taken his revenge since that idiot Carl put a pig out for him. A pig stuffed with hemlock and nightshade. Griffin ate it.
Durban now.
Pig.
D-E-R-V-A-N. Not Boycott.
Hey there.
So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if yes, then don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and check us out on social medias. I will leave all the links in the description below. Till then, this is Ayush signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.